Hi, I'm Matthew, the Chartered Structural Engineer here at Wickens Engineering. I'm here to answer your questions on cantilever racking. Today, we're asking what type of products can be stored on cantilever racking. Well, in reality, you can store anything you want on cantilever racking. However, it really comes into its own with long, irregular or awkwardly shaped items such as timber, pipework, sheet metal, scrap cars or anything of that nature. Its open-fronted access provides easy forklift access for lifting your products on and off the racking. The adjustable arms allow future flexibility so your racking can change as your product mix changes. If you have any further questions, please email us at asktheexpert@wickens.co.uk and I'll see you next time.